Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Alipay, secure digital payment access step by step clearly. First, make sure you are using your own device or a trusted device with an updated operating system. Open the official Alipay app on your phone or visit the official Alipay website in a secure browser. Check that the app publisher is correct or that the website address is spelled properly to avoid phishing. If you are on public Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or a trusted network for safer login. On the Alipay home screen, tap Login or Sign In to begin. Choose your login method, such as phone number, email, or Alipay ID, depending on what your account uses. Enter your phone number or email carefully and double-check for typing mistakes. Tap Next and wait for the verification options to appear. If prompted, enter your password and make sure no one can see your screen. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password and follow the on-screen reset steps. When you receive an SMS or email verification code, type it in immediately before it expires. Never share your verification code with anyone, even if they claim to be support. If Alipay asks for biometric login, use your fingerprint or Face ID only on your personal device. Review any security prompts that ask to confirm a new device or location. If you see an unfamiliar login attempt, select Deny or Not Me and change your password right away. After logging in, confirm you are on the correct account by checking your profile name or link number. Go to Settings and open Security to review your protection options. Enable two-factor authentication if it is available in your region and account settings. Set a strong payment password and keep it different from your main login password. Turn on App Lock or Gesture Lock so Alipay requires an extra step when opened. Check your linked bank cards and remove anything you do not recognize. Verify your identity settings only through the app's official verification pages. Avoid logging in through links and messages. And always open Alipay directly from your app or bookmark. Log out when using a shared device. And do not save passwords on public computers. Keep the Alipay app updated to get the latest security fixes and login improvements. If login fails repeatedly, wait a few minutes and try again to avoid temporary locks. If you are locked out, use the official help center inside the app or website for account recovery. After successful access, test a small action like viewing balance or recent transactions to confirm everything looks normal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.